Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold-dollar pair dropped 1.8% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The euro fell 0.8% against the dollar in the last trading session. The RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The pound dropped 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. The RSI indicates an oversold market. The Aussie dropped 0.9% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The protracted pullout has put Deloitte, Ernst & Young, KPMG and PricewaterhouseCoopers in the awkward position of condemning Russia's invasion of Ukraine, but still working for Russian companies, many of them state-owned. Bitcoin has extended its losses this month, tracking the lead of global stock markets as geopolitical tensions, inflation pressures and a COVID outbreak in China weigh. The largest crypto by market value fell as much as 3.3%. Meta announced it will open its first bricks-and-mortar retail space in California next month to allow customers to test hardware products, such as virtual reality headsets.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US durable goods orders will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US non-defense capital goods orders at 12:30 GMT. The US S&P/Case-Shiller Home Price Indices at 1300 GMT. The US customer confidence will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The UK's public sector net borrowing at 0600 GMT. New Zealand's credit card spending at 0200 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.